All right, guys, this is the week since the last video. Lake has come up like 25 feet. So I told you guys we're gonna get all this rain, and we we got it. The lake is dirty. Got some color. Water temp's cooler. I see the thermoclines come up, sitting around like 50, 60 feet. So I know I'm not gonna fish any deeper than that. A lot of these fish are gonna be that 60 and up to the bank. So we're gonna have some fun today. Since we got all that water coming, I'm sure there's gonna be some creeks running, some water, incoming water. So that's all I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna run creeks and see what we can put together. So come along, let's go have some fun, catch some fish. Got to give a shout out to Elgin USA. I'm using the Rebels. They're noise canceling. I got the motor running, can't even hear it. Jamming some music, get you all pumping, ready to go catch some fish. So let's get to it. There's one, right in that cut. Just hopping this jig down there, started up shallow, just working it down. Little spotted bass. Dirty water. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, guys. Fatty. Water temp's about 56. So it's gone down about 3 degrees since last week, but they're still eating that jig. And when I say eating it, they are eating it. This is that solid purple. And just want to let you guys know too, when you're ordering these things on the website, we have an option now where basically you got brown, watermelon, green pumpkin, and purple as the main colors, the primary colors. And then you can select for the secondary colors. We got those same colors right there, but then you got red, orange, blue, and chartreuse. So, oh, also forgot black. So got some options now on the website. Almost customize these things to the colors that you want. And got them in the finesse footballs, casting, and the ball heads. So appreciate all you guys. Thank you. First cast, switched up trailers, put on a black and blue double tail. I felt like they're just, I don't know, this dirty water. A purple skirt and a black and blue trailer should get their attention. Little guy. But that was the first cast with the black and blue, so he ate it. There we go. There's one. Oh my gosh, I got two pigs on the Bass Union A-rig. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, doubles on the BU A-rig, baby. Running creeks, catching donks. Love it. Double choke, baby. On that BU. Jeez. That's one down. This guy unhooked. That's a 2.5, 2.7. Got a big old belly. Solid. Oh, cracked it. Thought it was a snag for a second there. It's a good one. Oh, he foul hooked it. He just ran into it. Man, the way he hit it and get bigger. Just coming right up over that point. Smacked it. Oh, come on now. I don't want to get hooked. Oh, that one hit up pretty good. Not that big though. And I was hoping this one was going to be a good one. The way you hit it. Just a little Orville dink. He's fat. He's got some potential. Color on him. Super white. Tell he's been in this dirtier water. Little guy. So far the black and blue on the back of this purple jig's getting some bites. It's like it's funny, the small ones they feel like little machine guns, like tut, 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 tut. Usually if it's a good one, it'll be one solid just thunk. Usually it'll go slack. But this guy, I'm like, is that a fish? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I guess I better set the hook on him. Another little fella. Let's keep running these creeks. I mean, every time we pull into one, we're getting bit. So let's just keep moving, moving, moving. Small ones in here. Spots usually like to hang out with similar size. So if you're catching small ones on one, most of the time there's just small ones in there. So let's just keep moving. I thought it was a snag. It was a fish the whole time. Sometimes when you're making jigs all week, you get a little rusty. You finally get out of here, you're like, oh, that is a bite. A lot of bait up. A lot of bait. These fish are all just relating to it. That jig. Oh, this is... Man, I love being able to just come out to the backyard and just whack on some fish. You know, spotted bass, man. There's a lot of tournaments out here on the West Coast that are dominantly spotted bass. Shasta. Where else? Folsom, when we got tournaments out there. Here, you know, unfortunately, we don't have really any tournaments out here next year. I think ABA is coming out here once. But otherwise, you know, the big stuff, like there's no pro-ams, which is kind of unfortunate. The state parks kind of got a different deal how they go about doing the tournaments and stuff. So I know it's making it a little tough for all the tournament organizations to get out here. So hopefully we'll see some more in the future. But this place is too much fun. There's too many fish to catch out here not to have tournaments. Cross the fingers. Let's just hope we'll get some tournaments back out here. There we go. Fine. Ain't big. It's a bite though. Well, it's actually probably like a 1.9, 1.8. Not bad. It's cold. He is cold. You know what's funny is a few years ago, 5 of these fish were winning tournaments. I mean, this one's right at 2. This was like 10 pounds. But now you got to have 12 to 13 even to get check range. Really, you gotta have over 13 to be right there. It's freaking crazy. Some crazy good weights. There's a good one. That's a good one. I was glad to look at the rod tip for a sec. I thought it might have been a snag. Might have got me behind one. He's running at me. Good one. Oh yeah, this is the kind you want. Healthy fish. Went back to the old staple, Matt Brown. Look at that. Right in the kisser. Beautiful fish. Right in the kisser. Look at that. Solid. If you guys aren't out here, you need to get out and do some fishing on Orville. It's just stupid. I just pulled up on this shaded spot, working up into this little creek channel, and donk, baits up, a lot of fish. Catch them however you want. I like to catch them on a jig, so that's what I'm gonna do. That was a solid thump. Just dragging on the bottom and just hits, slap. Picture perfect. It's exactly how you want to eat it, right there. Right through the hard part. Old faithful Matt Brown just gets bit out here. Gotta love it. Like right when I hit the bottom. It's funny, some of these spots, dude, they're coming straight up like largemouth. Come on, where you at? Not a bad one. Healthy. You can tell the ones that are a little shallower are darker. The ones I've caught earlier are a little deeper. They're super white and pale. This one's got some good color to it. Oh, little hot donk. That gets the blood flowing. Oh, he's little. Nice color though. Damn. That's how you want to eat it. Just hot donk. He just smoked it. Ow. Oh, I have one. it's crispy. This rod makes a lot of noise. Hoppity hop hop, hop hop, hoppity hop hop, hop hop. Keep covering water. Get some fish. Ooh, right off this log. Oh. Basically right under the boat too. Just flipped at him. It's dirty water. Tight to the cover. There's like a log or something right there, and I just flipped the jig in there and hit the bottom. Lift, lift, donk. Right up next to this tree. Boy, there's some bigger ones suspended on it. So many this size. This is ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Fat. They are feeding up. Getting ready for winter. Felt pressure on that one. Coming up over a rock and just felt funny. Come here. Dude, all these fish got big old bellies. All these fish are getting ready for Thanksgiving. They're getting ready to go pig out, eat some turkey. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at that little oinker. There we go. On the spinnerbait. Just slow winding that thing down this creek channel. I could see them suckers. They're up in there. You might call it on this fish. I was hoping it'd be a big one. But still a spinnerbait fish. It's a good sign. Moving water. Running these little creek channels, I mean, if you guys just run a bunch of these things, these points, you're going to catch a pile of fish. So, not a bad way to end the day. Now, again, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Appreciate you guys all watching the channel and supporting the brand. You know, you guys have been keeping me super busy since the last video. I think a week straight I've been in the shop just tying jigs every day. Just more and more orders. So, you know, the support is much appreciated. I hope you guys have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys get out and do some fishing and you know, enjoy the time with your loved ones and never take them for granted. Be thankful for everything and try to look at everything in a positive light. Have a great time, eat a lot of food, pig out, because I know I am. So hopefully you guys like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.